Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be displaying how to remove the harness, show you step by step how to remove different clips, just taking necessary steps to removing everything up in this front end. As you can see, like I said in the last video, frame rails are definitely over, suspension is definitely over. I think our best bet is doing some modifications. Got a little surprise for you guys of what we're planning. Hopefully it follows through, and yeah, we can get this thing back on the road looking good, looking spiffy.
One eye, two eye, eeny, miny, mo. You know we got a op caught before you walked right out the door. Never seen a fat man have fast feet like how it work. Them niggas caught me, please, so we just put them in the dirt. I'm making this shit on the weekend, but I don't have very often. My mom's still going far places where I'm talking. These eyeballs looking everywhere, they all stalking. My moms keep blowing up my phone, I'm not talking. These M's keep showing that my dreams are heart locked in. I've been working every day, that non-stop shit. I'm saving up so every day I could pop shit. We finna make a movie, make that shit straight out of Compton. Niggas posting guns up on the net, that shit was weak. Niggas fucking tall girls, so I said shout out to Elite. Miss my niggas out that building, we was top 5 real elite. And I just linked up with my cousin, he makes 15 in a week. He got the dog shit flowing. I ain't Uncle Sam, you know it calls for the motion. The bad hoes coming back home, so I toasted. Y'all ain't never seen a nigga fall till I posted. Them niggas not official, why the fuck they stay trolling? My eyes still rolling, they hoes cop please all day straight joking. I don't sip the white, but I been feeding for that soda. They ain't dropping nothing now, so we gon' take up all the motion. Hit it first, the other week.
So as you can see here, we got the harness. It usually comes through this hole here and then comes all the way out, so I got the whole harness separated all in one piece right here so that it's, you know, out of the elements. Everything down here is disconnected. Everything over here is disconnected. This is just connected down here to this brake booster, well, brake line, I want to say. Brake connects to the brake line, so everything is disconnected. Come back on this side. This is part of the harness. This part of the harness is all tucked under here. That's everything that ran through this hole and then connected to everything over here. So got the ECU separated. Everything up here is good and disconnected. We're waiting for my buddy to bring his AC machine, and we'll drain all this out the proper way. We can remove the radiator and then get to the next stage. And as you can see inside the shop, there's a lot going on. Got some guys in the back cutting down some trees. But yeah, this thing is flooded with everything: bumpers, fender liners, fenders, you name it. We got it in here. And this is just making everything, you know, making the process much faster. I'm trying to get this thing in and out and, you know, fulfilled and straightened. Definitely every time I look at it, it's just like, but yeah, so this is what the shop looks like at the moment. I can't wait to give you guys more content working on the baby, the E46. I got a dual caliper video coming up, how to install it on these E46s. Yeah, we got the engine back already. I didn't even get to show you guys that yet. We got the engine back. We got the heads, wiring harness on the way. Like we're getting to the next level. So we're moving. I appreciate you guys' support. You know, thank you so much for supporting the channel. And I'm gonna get to cleaning up and throwing away some of these boxes. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
She was wetter than a lake. I ain't fucking with that hoe no more, might pass the hoe to take.
Man, my cousin like Josh, nigga, you can call me Dre. Seen them niggas cop me, please, man, I survive to the face. Please don't play on one of mine, we gon' slide every day. Why he moving like he Batman, he must wanna catch a stray. Like ATL, we up and down, let's see who really ice tray. I pass him, think that nigga hurt, why he ain't say it to my face. Try to get the one up, now you burn the scotch bond. I get my bitches fake jewels, try to pawn it. Please don't send an ass verse, I get the yawn. Like, babe, let me see the ass first, you know I'm on it.
One op, two op, eeny, miny, mo. You know we got a op caught before you walked right out the door. Never seen a fat man fast feet like how it work. Them niggas caught me, please, so we just put them in the dirt.
Man, why they faking like they slide and hit the field, them niggas slid.
They know who came around that corner or who made his
been caught up with that fan. I treat the rap game like ball, dunk a nigga, Sean Kemp.
Play the beat, Brody bang with the vert like off rip. And you know I got you, Brody, cause the shit from all strength. I'm finna drown a nigga soon, just get in tune and watch this. Real bags on me, now I'm hotter than a sauna. I let the hoe go, I'm getting leveled on drama. Brody send the commas, why you gotta wait? Ever since I started showing love, them niggas turning fake.
Man, I play this since I'm different, trying to catch him on a fast day. She looking at me like her pops, like damn, that's what my dad said. I don't wanna crash her, but I leave you with a bad way. I don't want speech, she got a birthday makeup. Call me Betty Crocker, bitch, I'm steady, get my cake up. You think she got the one up, man, I give my mans a layup. Nigga, so much shit, it's getting hard for me to stay up. Dropping all that shit like who the fuck gon' pay us?